Oh, it's a beautiful morning here in sunny Cancun, Mexico. This is our, I guess, our third day.
79 degrees right now.
79 degrees at 9 a.m. We just got up. We're getting ready to go eat breakfast. Trying to get a group of us to go eat breakfast. And then just figure out what we're going to do the rest of the day. But, look at this view from our balcony. You got the palm trees, and just on the other side of the palm trees is the beach area. You can look out there, there's sailboats. I mean, you can always see the ferries going to Isla Mujeres. And then you got all these other pools and bars, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. We have had such a great time with all the people that we've hung out with. You know, Nautical Nurse Nancy and Awesome Anthony, and Dewey Ski, Kim and Neil from Two Travel and Tour, and then we had a couple other Don and Heather Klein, supporters of the cruise community, and Megan Morris and Nick D, also supporters of the cruise community, and well, cruise and travel community. But we were able to meet Eric B from Travel Adventures with Eric B Monday. We hung out with him, and great times. But here it is, Wednesday morning, and we're gonna see what the day has got in store for us, for sure. So until then, woo! We've got to go schedule our COVID test. That way we'll be able to get back into the United States. Go schedule our COVID test. Yeah. Let's check out what we have at the breakfast bar. This is our first time in here. All right, guys, let's go check out a little bit of this activities going on in the pool. You know, it's they have activities every morning. At this towel station, you have to sign out with your room number. In the adults only, you don't have to do that. They have the towels there. You get them yourself. And do all the activities. They got their volleyball, pool volleyball. And out here, hola. Hola. As you can see, you've got a food station here for the pool. Here's another area, little small area here where they do the exercise and aerobics.
Good times, right? So yeah. Isla Mujeres VIP, Tulum Adventure, Isla Mujeres boat ride, diving. Thing that we really like about this all-inclusive is that we've got a great group of friends that we're enjoying our time with, and that'll make even the worst place pretty doggone good. But again, the RIU, we're loving it so far. There may be some people we might know. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien. ¿Y tú?
Said I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand, life is indeed. That's right, life is indeed. Woo! I don't have no beer in my hand, but I do have a BBC. That's Bailey's banana and pina colada mix. That's some good stuff. Tastes like a banana milkshake. Not a whole lot of alcohol in it, but on a hot day beside the pool or out by the ocean, that's some good stuff. Speaking of the ocean, I mean, Friday night we're going to be doing the pirate ship. We're going to get on the pirate ship, eat a great meal, see a great show, listen to some live music, and watch some fireworks. I think it's going to be a great time. It's going to cost us like about $75 a person. That's for the show. About $6 a person for the private shuttle back and forth. We could have done the bus for $1, but we chose to get the private bus. And there's a $12 port charge, I believe, per person. It's going to be a great time. Woo! All right, we'll get back up to the adults only pool and have another cocktail or two, lounge in the pool, and have a wonderful time.
Siguiente número, 1168.
Later that same evening.